Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, students. Last time we started chapter number 11, that is ratio and proportion. Today we will continue with the same. Let's start with word problem from practice set number 28. Please take out your notebooks and textbook. Note down the problem in your classwork notebooks. Take a look at question number 6, page number 59 in textbook. Students, I already wrote the question in my notebook. I will read it out for you once. The question is, Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father's is 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. Find the following ratios. Number 1, ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age today. Number 2, ratio of Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age today. The ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10 years old. Students, we have to find the ratios of these threes. Let's start solving. The solution is let us first find Shubham's mother's age today. Let us first find Shubham's mother's age today. हम लोग पहले शुभम की मम्मी की एज फाइंड करेंगे. शी इज younger than Shubham's father. By 6 years. शुभम की मम्मी उसके पापा से 6 years यंगर है, मीन्स 6 years छोटी है. Now therefore mother's age today is 42 minus 6 is equal to 36 years. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने यहाँ पर शुभम के मम्मी की एज फाइंड करने के लिए शुभम के फादर की एज से 6 years माइनस कर दिए. We found Shubham's mother's age, that is 36 years. Now we have to find the ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age. The ratio of Shubham's age is 12 years and his mother's age is 36 years today. We have to write 12 upon 36. First we have to find the same table for 12 and 36. Which is the same table, students? 12 ones are 12 and 12 threes are 36. हमको पहले ये देखना है कि 12 और 36 कौन से सेम टेबल में आता है. तो यहाँ पर 12 के टेबल में 12 भी आता है और 36 भी आता है. द आंसर इज 1 upon This is the ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age. 1:3. 3. Students, we found the ratio of Shubham's and to his mother's age today, that is 1:3. Now we have to find the ratio of Shubham's mother's age to his father's age today. Students, we know that Shubham's mother's age is 36 and his father's age is 42. We have to find the ratio of his mother's to his father's age today. 36 upon 42. We have to find same table for both. 6 6 is 36 and 6 7 is 42. 6 upon 7. The ratio of his mother's to his father's age is 6:3. Sorry student, the ratio of Shubham's mother age today to his father's age today is 6:7. Now we have to find Shubham's age when Shubham was Students, Shubham's age today is 12 years old. Shubham's age today is 12 years old. When Shubham was when Shubham was 10 years old, that is 2 years ago, his mother's age was 36 minus 2. 34 is equal to 34 years. This ratio is 10:34 is equal to 10 upon 34. Again we have to find the same table for the both. 2 and 2 17s are 34 is equal to 5 upon 17. The ratio is 5:17. The required ratios are number 1, 1:3. Number 2, 6:7. Number 3, 5:17. These are the final answers. Students, you have to solve question number 3 from the same practice set as homework. Students, hope you understood. If you have any difficulties with the questions, you can message me. Thank you.